shared this with Batra because this is how I feel about the 3 principles, or maybe about your work. And it's been the greatest gift that I've ever been given, because it feels like a gift that never stops giving. It's like a flower. When you start, you know, when the petals fall off, there's new growth, or rather a plant or a flower. It just keeps, even when it's dead, there's things there. It's like when you feel, even when you feel you're not growing, you are growing. And I honestly think it's the greatest gift that anyone's ever given me, because it's endless. It just feels endless, and it's beautiful. It's just pretty amazing, even in the shit. Even in the shit.